So our
Ma'am, we used to
okay,
discuss.
so our topic is that if we
Yes.
face any challenges, so it can make our life better or it can make our life worse. Okay, so regarding this topic, my point of view is that without challenges, uh, we can't imagine our life, good life, because because challenges beautify our life, because without challenges we can't live with interest, we live but without interest. So according to me, challenges is very important in our life. So we should wish to God that they give to us a lots of challenges, because it make our life bright. And if because suppose that if you are doing any work without any challenges, any problem, so how you can evaluate yourself that I am, whatever I am doing, so it is good or not good. So means challenges evaluate to us. And suppose that if you are doing any work but you are not facing any, you are not face any challenges, so that time you can feel bored, and because that time your life is stable, because you are not able to evaluate yourself that whatever I am doing, so it is according to situation, it is according to time or not. So if we face any challenges, so that time we can feel that whatever I am doing, so it is useful according to time. So challenges is very important in our, for our enjoyable life, because now our time is a challenges time. So if we think that uh, why I face any problem, and why any problem is coming in my life, but but it is very useful for you, because it is think you can in this situation you can think that which type of problem is going on in our life. So it is beneficial for us, because every successful people who is success, so they had to face a lots of, they will have to face a lots of problems, because without problem we can't get success. And if we face a lots of problems, so we can become a famous person, and after that we can give our point of view to another people, and it is very useful for solving any people problem. And we can help to them that suppose that you are facing you have faced any problem, but present time if any people is facing same problem, so you can suggest to them and you can guide to them. So this is my point of view.
Okay, very nice, ma'am. Uh,
That's
I I want to ask one question for you. Okay. So, uh, what is the biggest challenge you have faced in your life?
Okay, I have faced a lots of biggest challenges, but I shared that I shared one challenges mm, whose which is faced by me, that uh, when I was one time, once upon a time, when my competitive examination is about to held, that time I have means that time uh, I have no any vehicles for going there. So that time I was feared, and that time I was not able to focus on my study, because every time I was thinking about it that uh, how I can how will I go there, because 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 that day was a strike day and no any transport was available there. So that time I was feared, but my my brother my brother take a bike from another people, and they they and that time that time with my brother I reached in my center, and I gave my examination.
Okay, nice, ma'am, nice.
Um, okay, it's a nice Smita ma'am. I want to ask you, what suggestion you want to give to the young student who are facing the challenges like the corona problem?
Okay, ma'am, your question was good, ma'am. Because first of all, I want to suggest to them that you should keep patience. Okay, because nowadays every means people has no any patience, and they want that if they face any problems, they always think that how can I resolve this problem. Okay, but first of all you should keep patience, and after that if you focus on your problem, so you can think about any solution, because every problem has solution. And nowadays our means we are facing different types of problems like economic problem, and because classes is not going on in school, so we have a lots of problems, and a lots of people has also give up their job, and they have so they have a lots of problems, and youngers has also problems because they have planned their about their future, that in this year what should I get, because they are preparing for different types of examination, and every people has a different types of aim, because every people set their goal per year and in months, in this month uh, we will have I have to I will have to complete this goal. So means condition is nowadays condition is critical, but if we have patience, and if we will face this situation properly, so definitely we can get success one day.
Okay, nice.
Okay, nice answer, ma'am.
Okay, and very good explanation of that topic actually, ma'am. So the first, I would like to ask you one of question, that is, what is the biggest challenges life gave you, and how did you resolve that problem? Means how did you overcome it very easy way?
Okay, so your Gopesh, your question was nice. uh, when I was when I was fourth class, that time my brother has transferred, and so we had to go to their places. Okay, and their places my brother admitted in another school, but after 3 months my examination was about to held. So that time I was feared, because I had lack time, and that time I I was facing problems because means in night time I always wake up, and I always think that how can I crack this examination. So that time, but when I gave my examination, after that I get average. I got average marks, but my brother appreciated me that it's okay, no problem, because you lack of time, you were not able to get a lots of marks. So that time I felt that very happy, and that's it. So thank you, Gopesh.
So your voice is dropping, Smita.
Yeah,
But
so
it's a nice, yeah. But it's a nice. You are completed very well.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. I I repeat.
Yes, 2 times he is showing. I don't know
Yeah,
what is the
two
matter.
times, two
Till
times.
then,
Yeah.
why not, Supriya ma'am? If you want to take the opportunity, then you can go ahead, and after that, the Gopesh can join.
Okay, okay. Okay, thanks, ma'am, for giving opportunity. Yeah, thanks, ma'am. You giving a good opportunity because I want to say something about this topic. This topic is a very nice topic because every people facing lots of challenge in their life because and
Hello, I'm audible,
lots
ma'am.
of people. Yeah, Gopesh.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Can I continue?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
continue.
So
I
Yes, ma'am, you
many.
can continue.
Yeah, ma'am, you can
Okay.
continue.
So many people have different desires. So just they go for head because lots of people have different types of desire. So they want to achieve that. But when any person want to achieve their goals and desire, so that time they face lots of problem. But maximum people, if you want to achieve our target and goal, then you can try to lots of then you put lots of effort and you just take challenges in a positive way. When you take challenges in a positive way, you achieve anything in a very easy. So I can so just I want to say that challenges in our life, because without challenge we can't able to get anything. Because when I want to improve ourself myself, so just faced any types of challenge in a positive way, then we achieve one time, just to achieve everything. But sometime I know when I want to fulfill our desire, that time I not I am not always success. Just sometime I facing fail in my life. But when I fail, so just recall all past thing and just you find my just I find my mistake in that platform, and after that just resolve all mistakes. So after that we will definitely get it all things. So according to me, when I face any types of challenge in my life, I just learn lots of things and that place. And after that I have lots of knowledge. I gain lots of knowledge in our past in my past time. So I think challenges in our life, without challenge we can't possible to alive here. So many people have lots of different type of challenges, and I think that all people take challenges in a positive way, then we get all things without any problem. And problem is also in facing all people, because without facing problem we can't achieve anything. So that's it. It is my point of view, ma'am. So if you have any question, then you can ask.
Okay, very well, ma'am. And first I want to ask you, actually, what is the biggest challenges which is India's people are facing now?
Yeah, very nice question, Gopesh. Because right now, as you know, that every people are facing lots of different types of problem. Basically, economic problem. Because coronavirus period means due to COVID-19, our world facing many problem, lots of problem. So basically, all people are facing economic problem. Many people have lost their job in this situation. So I think that it is a very difficult situation in many facing lots of problem in this during this period. So I just want to say that uh, if I want to become all things, means if I want to resolve any types of problem, then we think first we think positive, and we uh, try to do effect, means effort means we try to do all things and you work hard, then we get all things a very easy way. And wait for some time, because I think when worst time is come, after that happiness is always come. So that's why wait some time, after that I think everything is a resolve, every problem is resolved.
Okay, that's let me have a look.
According to definitely, ma'am, you said well. First question I want to ask to you: what is your suggestion that how we can convert the challenge in a positive way? Because the uh, challenge is not always positive, but according to you, how can we make it as a positive?
Yes, ma'am. Very nice question, ma'am. Yeah, because challenges is always a negative way. Because when you want to fulfill our desire, that time always facing. And sometime I just lost our opportunity and lost our relationship and every types of things. But if you go through means if you always think about that what I lost my life, and so when you think always negativity, so your mind is always stop working, so you can't able to resolve their problem. So I think when I think positive way means I give one example, ma'am. If I want to learn English, okay, but I face lots of time many problem in my home also, because I'm a housewife and I am working also. But lots of problem because I have no time to improve my English, and I am not well work in our proper English, okay. But I think that when I want to learn, so just resolve all problems and I get chance for do that, okay. So I think first of all positive thinking is a very necessary, because without positive think we can't do all anything. So just we think positive, then we can do all things a positive way, and then we will get one day our target. So that's it, ma'am.
Okay, well said, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
Sikha ma'am, sorry, Smita ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. My question is that what challenges do others face, but you can handle it naturally?
Okay, ma'am. Very nice question. Yeah. Um, I just take my challenge is a very easy way. I give one example. Okay. So many people are nervous to speak in front of lots of people. Okay. But when I have any chance, make any chance, I take this opportunity is a very easy way. I explain any subject in any person, so very easy way. I have no fear about it.
Is that challenges which we have you know, faced in our past time. So is that better or worse? So the first thing is that everyone has given your point of view. That's very good. And I want to say something about the challenges first of all. Actually, challenges is comes in every person life. There are many kind of problems are here. So the problem is not a big actually we are too small because of we cannot able to deal with that problem. So I think we should understand that things we should try to keep that we should try to handle it. So the same times actually everyone's people have a problem that moment. People have to decide that they want to face that problems, otherwise they want to escape from there. So if that person, if they are escape from there and they don't want to face that problem, so they will not get their destination in their life, I think so. So the first thing is that try to accept the challenge and try to fight the challenge. That can help them to get to get their futures, whatever they want to do in their future. I think so that's very important for them. And the second one, that is actually, the former challenges, which former challenges gives us the opportunity that we can learn many of the things from there, from that challenges which we have passed, which we have faced in our past time. So it's, and we can learn many of the things from there. That's very important. So actually, I think every person should take the take the challenges. It's very important. And someone actually said that, if we are doing same things, so as we are doing always, as always, so what we will get, so we will get same things what we have been receiving, right? So people should understand it. And if they are making any kind of mistake in their past time, that moment they can learn. And they shouldn't, they shouldn't do same things again in their futures, because actually, they will get same things as they have been receiving in the past time, means that's a failure. So I think people should understand it. And there are many kind of challenges, challenges which is being faced by the people. So like the first of all, I want to say about the lose. Like there are many of the people are lose their life in this COVID-19 period. And many of the peoples have lose their lose their opportunities. So actually that moment they should understand it, that regardless of how it happens, because actually, every challenge is a given, every challenge, one of challenges is a given opportunity to everyone actually. So I think people should take opportunity that. And that lose, that if the people any kind of job, so they will get good jobs in their future. So at that moment they should understand it. And they should keep moving in, keep moving forward in their life. Maybe they will get a good job, rather good job in their life. So I think they shouldn't they shouldn't focus on their lose jobs, actually, I think so. And the second one, that is failure. Failure, it's also very important. The people, there is a no one are alive here, they has not faced any kind of failures in their life. So I think so, because actually there are many of those people are face their facing failure, then after they will get a good position in their life, I think so. So it's also very important, because the fellows recognize us. And that evaluate our past time, what was our behavior, and what was our what we are doing that moment. So I think failure is also very much important, and we can learn so many things from there. And we can also that failure gives us a knowledge. So that will that whatever we will do in our future, that moment we will correction it, because correction is the first key of success. So I think it's also very important. And the third one, that is setback. Actually, you could be a successful person in your life, but actually the problem is that you will also face a setback in your life, I think so. So it's a actually successful person are recognize the setback. And they try to find the way in which how they can overcome the problem. So they are doing that
Sorry. Yes, Gopesh, as you told that you are not from the Rapid City, so it is totally new. Everything is new for you. So, just do you want to share what type of problem you faced here
okay. Okay, why not?
at first
Basically, I am
time?
from Kanker, and when I went there first time, that moment I was facing a lot of problems. So, really at first, on the basis of shelters, accommodation. So, because I got, no, actually, I took admission in my college, but actually, I didn't find any. shelters for leaving me at that at their right. So that is I was facing a lot of problem that moment, and somehow I managed it, and actually I got one of hostel and I took admission there. And then the problem is that I didn't know anyone over there. Actually, I was not familiar with anyone. That moment I was facing a lot of problem to negotiate with the people, how I can how I can contact with them. And actually I also didn't know about that particular place actually where I was living. So that time I was facing a lot, but actually 1 to 2 months I was familiar with that all the problems. Then I can easy to resolve everything. Means I didn't face then after. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, Gopesh.
If I'm not able to do that, and I'm stuck that particular things I cannot able to do, and I to fight that problem. That moment, try to find way, another way. But I will not change my destination. I will not change my aim. I will only find the way and try to that can help me to reach my destination. I think so, because that can help me. Means ultimately, I wanted to say that I want to make easy that way to get me what I want to do in my future. So I think so. I want to make it make easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Yeah, why not?
you
You can
ma'am,
you
ask me.
ready?
you didn't ask na.
Yeah, why not?
What
Okay.
Why not? You
what
can
is the
ask me.
biggest yeah, what is the biggest challenge you have faced in your life?
Okay, okay, yeah, you're right. Actually, ma'am, everyone's person are facing a lot of problems in their life, right? And some of the people are take as the biggest problem in their life, but actually, I'm differ from them. Actually, I didn't face any kind of problems. Like means biggest problem what I have faced in my past time, I just take as a normal way, right? It's just a challenge, not a problem, right? And not a biggest problem and not a biggest challenge. This is just a simple way what I want to do, and I try to find the solution and take and resolve it very easy. I think so, because what I have been faced in my life, that moment try to negotiate with my colleague, with my parents. Then they gave me some kind of information, some kind of solution to crack it and to resolve that problem. So that is I didn't take as a big challenges and problem. I just take it as a normal way. I think so. That is I.
Wow, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Sikha ma'am,
Okay.
Yeah,
So
at last
yeah,
I
yeah.
got I'm getting the opportunity to say something about the challenge,
Actually, in my
and
side there
now
is a dark.
it
Actually,
is
because of uh,
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Continue.
yeah, I'm on the roof. So please, okay, please
okay.
continue.
Yeah.
Speak, ma'am.
So finally, get a big challenge to say something about the challenge. As you see that the challenge word is enough big. It's carry a nine later, so it shows that how big it is. So actually, what happened that we all people are getting everything very easily from our parents. Whatever we are urging something to our parents, as right now it's happened that we all are living in the nuclear family, and that is why it is very easy for the parents to give the things, uh, or to make happy to the children. It's a very nice thing for them due to the various reasons. So what happened that the nowadays the average children, as they are getting the everything's very easily, they don't want to make the challenges. They don't want to face the challenges, because the right now they don't need to share anything from the others. They don't need to appreciate anything, whatever they are getting from their parents or their elders, and a lot of reasons are behind that. So definitely right now, as my point of view, it is a really a big challenge as a parenting. How we are, how what we have to be teach our childrens, so that after when they are grow up, how they take as a challenge, because we cannot come out from the challenge of our life till our death. So from the beginning of zero age to the 60 to 80 age, we have to face challenge at every step, because as the we are facing the very pandemic problem, we never think about that. We have to be faced this type of problem ever in our life. In fact, the elders of even for the our elders, it is also a new problem and a big challenge. In fact, they are thinking that in the at the age of the 20 25, that when our children are grown up, then definitely we don't have to face the any challenge, and we are enjoying our life. But it's not like that. Still they are the facing the challenges, still they are facing the new problems in their life. So first of all thing is that definitely the question is arises what we have to be do to overcome from this, from any of the problem. This is one of the biggest challenge in our life. So if we are have a reading habit, reading the good books, chanting the mantras, because that's a really very effective, and giving habits to the other, and appreciate whatever we are getting, so that appreciating to elders or the god. So definitely this type of technique if we are adopting, and one of the most important thing is the exercises. If we are doing the daily exercises, then definitely we can overcome from this problem. And one of the most important thing is that, uh, because any challenges are not knowing by us early, so we have to be ready to face the challenge. We have ready to fight from the problems. We have to be never give up from the problems. So this is the basic thing. If we teach to our children, then definitely they are able to cope up the any of the challenges. So definitely we have to be teach all these things to our childrens, then definitely they are not committed suicide, and they are loving whatever uh, the body, or whatever they're getting from their parents or the elders. Definitely they respect that. So challenge is enough a big challenge, and definitely if we have courage to overcome from that, and definitely if we do all this thing, then definitely we can easily overcome from this. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Your point of view was uh, what means so worthy. Okay. So my question is that nowadays due to corona pandemic, our elders as a means our old people are facing a lots of problems. Okay. So this type of suggestion will you want to give to them? Because we are younger, we can go anywhere, but they have a lots of foundation, and they are facing different types of problems. So what is your solution for them?
It's a very nice question, Smita ma'am. But one thing I want to share you that they people are really enjoying the every situation, because they are mentally strong enough, more mentally strong than us. If you talk to them, then you will able to find out that at the particular moment, at when they are the young one, they eat the fresh foods. They and at their time, all the things are the fresh, and definitely as we compare the anatomy of the body, then means the strength of the body, then the old one are much stronger than us. We cannot neglect all these things. Even the we people have to wear the mask every time. They do not do they do not have to they don't have to do that. They are enough stronger than us, and they are really enjoying the every challenges. So we don't have to be teach anything to them. In fact, we have to be learn lot of things. We have to learn from them because we are thinking that we are the smarter, but it is not like that. Still, the many of the things we can learn from our elders.
Okay,
So,
ma'am,
according to my
your
point
answer
of
was
view, we don't have to be teach. We don't have to be teach or we to any of the elders.
You're
your
right, ma'am.
answer
And
was good, ma'am.
actually, I want to ask you one question that is, how do personal challenges make you better person?
Actually, from the childhood itself, my family is very matlab discipline. They follow the every time in my family.
Hello.
Discipline is yeah. In my family, the discipline is followed
Okay.
very. I should say. Discipline is followed by my family. Everything is doing in the right time at the right place. So I just really I have a habit of all this thing. And when we talk about the challenge, then according to my point of view, you never overcome from this any type of the problem. Definitely, when we overcome from this pandemic problem, then definitely some other problem is standing in front of us, and we are ready to face that. So, as I said in my lecture of 5 to 10 minutes, definitely you have to be ready to face every challenge in your life. It's and only with your death. Hello.
Yeah, nice, ma'am. Yeah. So I want to ask one question, ma'am. So
Yes.
if any challenge suddenly come in your life, so how will you take it?
Yeah, nice Supreme ma'am. I am living in actually I'm living in the joint family, and I am previously I was from the nuclear family, and I just joined the joint family. Then I just really find it out that uh, I am very now I become a very strong lady, and I just learned that everything is a positive. Whatever the problems come in your life, if you are thinking that is a God gifted and just you have to be faced, and if you are not, if it has happened that you are not able to overcome from this any problem, then just live it. At the particular when the time is goes, then the problem is also go with that. So I take all the problem very positive, and if it is a happen that some of the problem I am not able to overcome from that, then I just live it with the time. So with the time, it goes automatically. So
Yeah,
it
nice,
just
ma'am.
totally depend upon your thinking, ma'am. Nothing else.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks for giving lots of suggestion because you give a very nice point in this topic.
Yeah, ma'am. We learned a
Actually,
lot
ma'am,
in
it's happened that when we are going to speak in the English, the fluency come and whatever the come in your mind, just we have to be speak out. I just really
Yeah,
so if
actually,
I
it's
think
just a
I said a
lady.
lot,
Yeah.
I said a lot, and if it is any mistake or it's a hearted by anyone, then I just really feel sorry for that.
No, ma'am,
Thank
not
you.
like that.
No.
Okay, ma'am. We are in learning period,
Actually,
ma'am.
it kind of problems everyone are facing while speaking
Yeah,
English in
we
front
are
of someone
we
else
are
on
a
video call and
student,
something
ma'am.
other.
It is our right. We can do mistake.
Yeah. First, we will do
Okay,
mistake.
thank you.
After
Because we
that,
are discussing
resolve
now.
all problem.
Yeah, we are discussing about
Yeah,
challenges.
that's
Yeah,
definitely.
English
Yeah.
is also
Fluent English
challenge.
It's a very interesting, Supriya ma'am. The challenge word has a nine later. It is enough big.
Yeah.
So it's so
Very
that
big.
yes, I am very big. If you are not breaking me, then definitely I will
Yeah,
break
so that
you.
is why everyone.
Yeah.
Your
And learning
your
English
point
is
was
also a
marvelous.
challenge,
So that is why it's not a easy to fight the challenges for all
Yeah,
those people. If people want to be a successful person in their life, they have to face a lot of challenges in their life.
yeah, because
After that, they will
yeah,
get success. Otherwise, it's not possible because challenges, as you said, spelling is also 9 words. So
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 challenge is
definitely,
always
so be
came in
positive.
our life.
Yeah,
yes,
be
definitely,
positive.
ma'am. Definitely. Till that.
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah, because it
And
start
then we
from
definitely
yeah, it start
start
after
from the
born.
childhood itself.
Yeah, after born, ma'am. After born.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it's also facing lots of problem when we want to learn walking. That time always
No, no. When
fall
you
down,
when you born, na, when you born that time, from that time, your challenges start.
so the
Actually,
one,
we are just discussing about the challenges. So one thing is that actually in the IT sector, they are facing a lot of challenges in their life nowadays because actually India has become a digital India, right? So
Yeah,
they are facing a lot, and actually not only the IT sectors people, but also people, normal ordinary people who are living in villages area, they are facing also a lot of problems. If I'm uh, talk about that cyber crimes, and actually yesterday yeah, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi,
sorry to
they are
interrupt you,
actually Twitter.
Gopesh. Actually, the persons who are staying the villages, they are the more happy than the people who are living in the metro city, because the metro city people are the mentally tortured every
No,
time
I know that.
by
Okay, I know
the
that, but actually,
electronic devices.
but I think
yes, yes,
every
yes.
Yes,
place means all people are facing problem, ma'am. Not doesn't matter who is live in city, metro city, and whether they live in small areas, just like village.
definitely, Supriya
Village
ma'am.
areas
Yes, yes.
also facing lots of problem
Just
related to
they are
Yes,
agriculture,
physically,
definitely,
I think so.
infrastructure,
definitely.
health issue,
They are
lots of
physically
problem.
tortured, and that people are the mentally tortured.
Yeah.
Definitely, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Because
His
villagers
biggest
area no.
point. No, no, ma'am. Biggest point is that no any people has satisfaction in their life. So
Yeah.
we can't
Well said,
imagine
Smita ma'am. Well said.
we can't imagine that villagers are not facing any problems and metro peoples are facing problems. It is can't possible,
Actually,
ma'am.
it just depend on the people, I think so.
Yeah,
Of their, presence of mind. I think it just work on those people, I think. Because
yeah. It
actually,
is depend
if
on
the
you,
state of
na?
mind is not working properly on the right time, so they will face up problems in their future.
Yeah, it is depend on you.
And
Means if any problem comes, so in which way you are facing it.
Uh,
So we will continue, otherwise left the call because time is enough. Seven
yeah,
six.
yes, definitely. We
not
have to
actually.
be. Yes, Gopesh.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
Gopesh,
nothing. Actually,
you
I was.
complete your sentence.
Yeah, I was only saying
Yesterday,
about that. As I
Narendra Modi.
said about the. Yeah, as I said about the electronic device in which, like, hacker and something. So today I talked one of people who belong to the Tamil Nadu. and he was an ethical hacker. He told me about all those kind of things, how they can, they can do that, that kind of problems. No, means how they can hack another person data actually. So they told me about that all the kind of things. So that is I'm telling to you.
Yeah, because nowadays,
Actually,
all काम is all work is going on digital digital way. So means hackers are
yeah,
enemy. Yeah,
yeah. Actually, I talked them with the help of Buddy Talk actually, and if I add you as a buddy, that moment they can also hack on my mobile. But actually, I didn't. I told them I didn't add you as a buddy because if I add, their friend request, then after they can also hack me. So they told me literally. So actually, firstly they told me about all the kind of things. Please, and don't click on any any unknown link if the unknown person are sending you. So that is why.
yeah. Means lots of problems created due to us because we work. Means we don't use our mind na, and we whatever anyone says. So we
Excuse me guys, 1 second please. हेलो हेलो सो कैसी रही आपकी डिस्कशन आज? हाउ
Yes,
वाज योर
sir.
डिस्कशन
Nice,
गाइस?
sir. Nice.
Yeah, that's
We
that's a
really
good, sir.
enjoyed.
हाँ,
We were discussing very
I
well.
saw like
Yeah,
everybody was participating quite well in that group discussion. Camera angle was very nice. Everybody was asking question, giving answer, and whole thing has been recorded on my screen. So probably it will be live tomorrow on our Facebook page.
okay, sir.
okay.
Let's
But
see.
the problem is that, sir, actually
But
we are
sir,
talking, whatever we are deliver our content, we are focused on the screen rather than focus on camera actually. Because
No, no, it's
we
okay.
have
It's okay.
forgotten that we should focus on the camera actually.
It's
but
okay.
Okay,
sir
It's okay.
is but sir, 1 minute, sir. But speaking time, lots of mistakes, sir,
It's okay.
in my
It's
side,
okay.
especially.
That you people are student here. Okay, so
students.
mistakes are acceptables, and mistakes means you are learning. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so one should learn from our
Right, sir.
mistake. One should not regret about our mistake that we committed mistake. It was a crime we have committed. You should not think on that. Just keep doing your practice, and it was really nice practice today. So हो गया ना आप लोगों का पूरा डिस्कशन कंप्लीट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
completed.
Yes, sir. We have done.
तो फिर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. You can remove it.